Hare Krishna. Okay, raise your hand please. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Yes. Krishna, okay, put your hand down. Okay, Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Manmana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. That means, worship me. Always remember me. Become my devotee. And if you'll do this, you'll come to me. And you know, where is Krishna now? Shall I tell you one secret? Where is Krishna now? Krishna is in Golok Vrindavan. And that Golok Vrindavan is very, very far away from here. Very, very far away. We cannot go there from our Sputnik. We cannot go there from our rocket. We cannot go there. We can, our spirit, that soul, our body will stay here. Our body will decay. But our spirit can go to Krishna Loka, that Goloka. And there is so nice. Chintamani Prakar Sadma Sukalpa Briksha. The land of that Chintamani, that Golok Dham is made up of diamond. Can you believe? Do you believe this? Maybe you do not believe now because you have heard this for first time. But it is said that the land is made up of diamond, and that diamond is Chintamani diamond. Chintamani means, Chinta means what? Chinta means no tension. It will make you free from all tension. And Kalpa Briksha are there. Kalpa Briksha means there are such type of trees. They are called wish fulfilling trees. Wish fulfilling tree means, now suppose for example, if you want to fulfill your wish here in this world, then what do you have to do? Can you clap and that, if you clap, your wish will come true? No. Okay, you try. I need one beautiful girlfriend. Okay, clap your hand. That is impossible? Yeah. I need America visa. You clap. You clap. Is that possible? To get that, we have to work hard day and night, right? But in Goloka, in Krishna Loka, you clap, everything will appear in front of you. Because there are Kalpa Briksha. Kalpa Briksha means whatever you desire, it fulfill. Even you don't need to clap. Even you don't need to bother your hand, bother clapping. You desire, and it will fulfill. And in Golok there are cows, Surabhi cows. Those beautiful cows, and these cows are always, so therefore you can see Krishna with cows, right? Yeah. So we should never kill cows. And we should never hurt cows, because cow is very dear to Krishna. And Krishna is not only God, he is supreme God. Krishna is God of all the goddess. All the gods. So if you worship Krishna, if you love Krishna, then just like if you water the tree, if you water the root, then all the twigs and all the leaves and all the branches will automatically get nourished. So similarly, if you worship Krishna, then you do not need to separately worship Shiva, Ganesh, Durga. Right? One time one guy was joking, oh, if I worship Ganesh now, then Shivaji will become angry. Why? Because Shivaji will think, hey, this guy is worshipping only Ganesh. And Parvati will become angry. Oh, this guy is worshipping Shivaji only, he is not worshipping me. So it is said, if you worship Krishna, then simply by worshipping Krishna, we can worship everyone. So if you worship Krishna, we can become happy, and Krishna's name is, there are so many names of Krishna, Govinda, Gopal, but for Kali Yuga, if we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, you have to remember this Maha Mantra, okay? You have to remember. Now, it is said that every new year we have to start a new life, right? Yeah. Every new year is a new chance for us. So you might have came here for New Year celebration, right? So now, what you have to do, you have to learn, you have to remember this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra from here, and then you have to take Bhagavad Gita with you, okay? Hare Krishna, and then we can become happy. You know your aim, that my aim is to go to Krishna, and then you can become happy, okay? You know the aim, now you have to do it, okay? Hare Krishna. Nice to see all of you. I bother you. I'm sorry. Hare Krishna. Please go upstairs and you take darshan of Radha Krishna. You pray with them. So what will you pray? What will you pray today?
To be happy.
To be happy. But how you can become happy? Suppose, for example, there is one nowadays patient in the hospital, in the bed. They are lying in the bed, and someone will come. Their relative will come. How are you? How are you? How is everything? He is suffering. He has a disease, and he says, so nice, very nice. Very nice. Really nice. Nice. Ram Rosa. Is that happiness?
No.
No, that is not happiness. So that happiness is happening all over the world. People are enjoying that happiness. That happiness is not a real happiness. Plastic happiness. Suppose, for example, if you go to a photo studio, then smile please. कति बेरसम्म यस्तो गराएको होला हैन? That is not the real happiness. Real happiness means you have to become happy from inside. You have to smile from inside. And that happiness will come only when you know your real aim. When you know your real aim. When you know the source of happiness. Okay? When you know the source of and that source of happiness is Sri Krishna. Krishna only can give happiness. In Vrindavan, Krishna came to Vrindavan from his original Golok Vrindavan, Golok Dham. Krishna said that Yada Yadai Dharmasya Glanir Bhavati Bharata. I come here after yug and yug. Why? I come here to kill the demons, kill the bads, destroy the bads, and protect the good. So therefore, Krishna came in Vrindavan, and then Krishna, everyone became so much happy with Krishna. Everyone, even you can see cows becoming happy, even birds becoming happy. Krishna is playing the flutes, and Krishna is dancing with gopis. Krishna is dancing with Radharanis, and Krishna is stealing what? Beauty, and Krishna is stealing tasty butter, makhan. So nice, right? So happy, so enjoying, right? So Krishna is calling us. Krishna is calling us. There is so enjoyment in Golok. So you come. Krishna came with this message. Krishna came here to call for the real happiness. But we say, no, we are happy here in plastic smiling. Okay, chant Hare Krishna. From today, make your new year very perfect and get Bhagavad Gita from here. Hare Krishna. Thank you for your time. Hare Krishna. Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam.